Hello, my name is Kevin, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about one of my favourite things in the world, and that is Ooni 3. Ooni 3 is the world's first portable pellet-fired pizza oven, and it bakes perfectly cooked pizza in just 60 seconds. Ooni 3 changed the way I cook, and it's so simple to use. Food goes in the front, and fuel goes in the back. And while it is very simple, there are some clever design features that we're going to take a closer look at now. Ask any good pizza chef and they'll tell you that the key to cooking truly great pizza is to use an oven that gets super hot, has a stone floor, and has the added magic of cooking with fire. Ooni 3 has been designed with all of these features so that you can cook incredible pizza, plus other delicious wood-fired dishes. It's also completely portable at less than 25 pounds or 11 kilograms, so you can have it in any outdoor space, whether it's your backyard, the beach, or a campsite. If you prefer cooking with gas, our gas burner for Ooni 3 is available separately. Cooking with gas creates the same high heat and speed as cooking with pellets. Ooni 3 reaches 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius and is ready to start cooking in just 10 minutes. That's twice the maximum temperature of a conventional kitchen oven and hot enough to cook a 13-inch pizza in only 60 seconds. You can use our cast iron series to cook even more than perfect pizza. Meat, fish and vegetable dishes, as well as my personal favourite of halloumi cheese, are delicious when cooked in Ooni 3. Thanks to its size, you can easily fit 2 Ooni cast iron pans side by side. When you open up your Ooni 3 box, you'll find the oven itself and the custom-made stone. The stone is what will hold in that all-important heat for baking your pizza. All of the necessary bolts and the Allen key are also in the box. You'll find a copy of the Essentials Guide, which includes delicious recipes for authentic pizza and more. Making your own dough is simple with the included classic dough recipe. If you prefer, you can also use pre-made dough when cooking with Ooni 3. How does Ooni 3 reach such high temperatures so quickly? It's down to the oven's clever design as well as the fuel source. Ooni 3 runs on hardwood pellets, which are a simple, efficient and sustainable fuel source. You'll only run through 2 pounds or 1 kilogram of pellets in an hour, and that's a lot of 60-second pizzas. Ooni hardwood pellets are premium and food grade. They have a low moisture content, which means they burn efficiently and give that beautiful rolling flame while lending a delicious wood-fired flavour to your food. Ooni 3 is made from high-grade stainless steel with cool-to-touch wooden handles. There's a layer of insulation across the top of the oven which help to hold in the heat, allowing you to cook pizza after pizza after pizza. A 1-year warranty is included as standard, and you have the option to add another 2 years warranty for free when you register your oven online. Ooni 3 has been carefully designed with everything you need for creating amazing pizza. The chimney draws the flames and heat forward and right through the oven, preheating the stone and then cooking the toppings when your pizza has been launched. The chimney also has a quick release clip, which makes it simple to pack up and go. The chimney cap doubles up as a way to scoop pellets into the hopper while you're cooking. The patented flame keeper at the front of the oven helps flames to reach the front of the stone, creating an even temperature for a well-cooked pizza base. The high-quality corduroy stone baking board retains a lot of heat and gives pizzas that authentic stone-baked base. It is extremely durable and able to withstand the high temperatures inside the oven. It's also completely removable. One of my favourite things about Ooni 3 is that there's so little to clean up. The heat inside the oven means it has a self-cleaning effect, giving you more time to prep your pizzas and less time worrying about cleaning up. Ooni 3 can be treated just like a barbecue, and the best surfaces to place it on are wooden picnic tables or a table with a stone, marble or stainless steel surface. If you're taking Ooni 3 on the go, the legs can be folded up and the chimney can be removed. Once you are set up, lighting Ooni 3 is as easy as adding a few pellets to the burner and adding a fire starter. You can even fire up the pellets with a regular kitchen blowtorch. By topping up the pellet burner little and often, you'll maintain a consistent flame that is perfect for wood-fired pizza. When you order an Ooni 3, you'll also be helping to plant trees through Ooni's partnership with Eden Projects and 1% for the Planet. We're always happy to talk about Ooni 3 and all things pizza, so remember to reach out if you have any questions.